Back cabinet preparation steps. Before installation, the bottom fixing slats may be removed by prying. Note: the fixing slats are used to prevent the cabinet from being damaged or split due to transportation pressure. Simply move the cabinet to the designated position. The electrical outlet holes have been pre-drilled and reserved. This woodworking clamp is used to temporarily fix the connection between two cabinets or tables during installation to ensure they stay aligned while you secure them permanently. Two people collaborate to lift the cabinet and place it on top of the bottom cabinet. Repeat the operation to place the top cabinet.